welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. If you are not new to this channel, you know, during this time, the end of month, honey, we have to do my top 5 picks from my fragrance tray. If you all don't know, I do a monthly fragrance tray. And this time I've been doing a little bit more of a themed tray. And so I was really wanting some spring fragrances. I was really feeling that. So I put them on my tray. So I want to let you know what were my top picks from my tray. So let's get started, shall we? Yeah, let's. So first pick from my fragrance tray, and this is in no particular order, right? But I have to talk about her, and this is Creed Aventus For Her. Oh my goodness, yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I will say now, I am not your Creed girl. I will have to say, guys, like if there was a house that I have not been able to get my on, it would be Creed. Like Creed for me sits more masculine at times, a lot of times for me, and it just doesn't do my body chemistry right, okay? But when I say I do love this one from the Creed line, she is just so pretty, and you all know I'm not always a fan of citrus, but this citrus, it is very luxe and luxury. She has fruity notes like green apple is in this, right? So it gives it that fresh, crisp type of scent, and it is so pretty. When I tell you luxury and spring, when I think of those things, there's plenty of fragrances that might come to mind, right? But this is one of them in that like luxury spring box. I absolutely adore Creed. Now, Creed is a penny, but you could probably get her at a good discount, probably on Joma Shop or somewhere like that, because I think it sits around like $400 some odd if you go into like a Neiman Marcus and actually purchase the bottle. Yeah, girl, it's a pretty penny. But I got this as a gift. I done told y'all about gifts, right? Put it on your wish list. Mother's Day is coming up. We'll talk about it, get into it. Okay, some Mother's Day picks, but just a good one to put on your list. But oh my goodness, this is so pretty, and I really enjoyed this, and people around me enjoyed it, and I think that is why this had to be on the top, because I got so many compliments. I got this fruity. Somebody said that I smell fruity. Somebody even said I smell fresh, and so I never actually heard the fresh part of the compliment. So I love that for me, but this is a compliment getter. So the penny that you will spend on this is worth it to me. It is so good, but you do have to like those bright scents, right? And that's why I say try it, right? Because again, citrus can lean good on some people, and yeah, not so much. I can't say this is a blind buy purchase. Absolutely not. And not even just for the price. It's because this might lean too unisex for someone. I can see that happening. But for me, it does not. This is so good. I would highly suggest you add this to your collection if you jam with it, right? For the spring, it's great in the season. I enjoyed this. It was amazing, amazing, amazing. I don't know what else to say. I did. Long lasting, yes. Oh my goodness, absolutely. Like Creed. Well, I can't say that because there are some Creeds that, but this was long lasting. Now, I will say overspraying, I didn't do a lot of overspraying with this. This is not like an overspray bag to me. I couldn't get my life with the overspray, but did I spray enough? Yes. Enough for people around me to smell? Yes. For it to be pleasant? Yes. I think if you overspray this, it might be a turnoff. It might become a turnoff, and that's just my opinion, but try it and see if you like it. This was definitely a top pick from my tray. moving on. Next up, another top pick from my tray. Now this leans more on the mandarin orange side of the citrus, and it gives you cotton candy. So, right, like that's what we want. Honey, byredo's Sundazed. Oh, okay. I love this. I think I used to describe this, or I always kind of describe this as like a fluffy pillow or like a cotton candy pillow. Like, this is so good. Another citrus fragrance. Ooh, but it leans more on that mandarin orange. Ooh, baby. And that cotton candy. Ooh, I can't take it. And that cotton candy. Oh, it just is so yummy. And it's not like heavy food yummy, but it's like cotton candy. It's like a tacky, sweet, fluffy type of scent. Oh, I adore this. I love this. I mean, if you, it just came to me. If you wear this in the night for like a special bedtime, you know what I'm saying.
She wants me to take her.
Go to bed with her?
Sexy time. Yeah.
This would be amazing, okay? I can see this in some lingerie. I can see it. Okay, this is a good one. Thank me later. But I absolutely adore this. And now I will say, compliments, I didn't get a lot of compliments, but if you spray this, you can overspray this, right? But if you spray this right before you're about to walk into somewhere or a place, that's when you'll get the compliments, right? But as the day goes on, the dry down, it sits more close to skin. It's more like that Netflix and chill, very close encounters. It's not very projecting after a while. So I would say about 4 hours or so, and it kind of just sits close to skin. But if you want to decant this and have it roll with you to the mall, roll with you to like a brunch with the girls, and if you spray this before you about to walk in the door with the brunch with the girls, oh, you're going to get a whole lot of compliments, sis. And it is so fluffy and good. And it's not off-putting if you like respray it. Because I know that there are some things, like I was telling you all about that Tiziana Terenzi Orza. Don't overspray that.
What is that? It smells like a turd covered in burnt hair.
Okay. And and if you have a part 2 and then want to spray it again, team too much. But this one, you could do like a part 2 and like re-up on the overspray. I love this. It is so good. If you're looking for a more mandarin orange, cotton candy, kind of fluffy type of fragrance, then look no further. That is what you want in your life. Trust me. All right, moving on. Next up, honey, I rediscovered this one, and it is a kayali one. But I've been babysitting her because she still hasn't come up with another one. Ugh. And we need a big bottom on her. But this is kayali, and this is the Wedding Silk Santal. So this has your sparkling champagne, your white freesia, pink praline. We have some lush nectar. Green, we have some sandalwood, and we have some sugar musk. When I say this is beautiful in this season, if you have this, pull her out. This is the season. Spring, summer season to wear her. But I will say I've been babysitting it down. I have not wanted to wear this like every second. Oh, but it is so good. And let me tell you about just a layering combo real quick, okay? Not far. But if you put this with this, yeah, thank me later, okay? Because this praline, it just gives it a more warmth to your fluffy cotton candy. Oh, it's good, okay? And I've been having fun. It's good. But this is so pretty. I can't wait until she comes out with this again. I really hope she does, because the girls are wanting it. And I hope we get like the big bottles, because I want the largest bottle we got, right? The 100 ml. I want that one. For this, I would definitely repurchase this, but it was a favorite on my tray. Highly would recommend. I don't even know if this is on the site anymore, but if you have it, add to your tray maybe this spring, summer, because it is a good one, sis. All right, moving on. And last but certainly not least, I know I have top 5, right? So I'm going to put these 2 right together because I've been talking them down. So there is nothing more that I can say. I mean, go back to the months I have been talking these fragrances down. If you know the fragrances that I'm about to mention, put them in the comments below. If you know your sis, just put it in the comments below. You probably already know what I'm going to say. And I would like to know that you know me like that. So just put it down in the comments. Let me know what you think these last 2 on my top 5 for my fragrance tray. All right, let's get into it. So this is Victoria's Secret. Y'all know. Yeah, I heard y'all say it. Bare Rose. I already told you. Like, I'm doing good. I feel like I wear this like, I'm wearing now. Ooh, I feel like I wear this every day. Okay, this. If you like a watery rose, I can't say this enough. And it has pear in it. I can't say this enough. I love this. What you want me to say? I love it. I love this. This is so pretty. And it will go, oh my gosh. Spring all around you. This is so pretty, okay? Go into Victoria's Secret, especially when they have a sale. Because I'm going to pick this up. I'm going to get me the bigger bottle. I already told you all before. I've been trying to wait. They had this like buy 2, get 2 free. And I was like, nah. I want a discount on the 1. Buy 1. Get that 1. I am looking for a discount. So if you see a discount on Victoria's Secret for their Bare Rose or fragrance, let a sis know, okay? Let me know. Hook me up. Because my eyes can't be everywhere. I'm a working woman. I'm a working woman. But this is so pretty, so good. It's just water rose made well. And it has this sweet pear in it. It's amazing. I don't know what to say. It's amazing. And then next, honey, loewe. Woman 1. I mean, what else? When I say if you're looking for a luxury must type of fragrance, you know how I am. I've been in my must bag. If you don't like must, I used to be her. Yeah. I used to be her. I used to be the one that didn't like must. Must. What they talk about? Must. I don't want to smell must. I used to be her. But she's got me and has me very heavy on rotation. I love must. And I love this. Whoo, baby. You want to shut them down? I don't know what you want me to say. This is so good. So beautiful. It makes you feel like just a pretty woman. I mean, you're already a beautiful woman, right? But this just elevates it. It just elevates the prettiness that you already have going on, right? The fineness, you're fine, sis. Down. This just elevates it. And it's so complimentary to like a feminine type of woman vibe. Like it's just the feminine, it's just the beautiful, very soft, but impactful. It's good. It's good. And, I've just been wearing this down. And you might not be able to tell, but your sis don't put dents in nothing. And the fact that I got something going on. This might not be comparison to your something, but it's something to me. And I'm going to pat my own self on the pat. But this is so pretty. Highly recommend. After a while it does sit close to skin, but compliment getter, absolutely. Top notch. Okay. Moving on. Well, that's all, family, from my top 5 picks from my fragrance tray. Hey, what were you rocking for this month? I know we are wrapping up. I cannot believe, honey, we about to go into May. Oh, what? What's going on? Speed up the year. But let me know what you were rocking in April. I would love to know. Y'all know I'm nosy, okay? Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey. Make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah. Yeah. Yo, sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.